guys.
Okay.
Hi guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be putting a look together using my July IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Quick disclaimer, I know I'm looking a little crazy. I just got my lips done. Today's Friday, so Wednesday. Looking plump and beautiful, but they are still swollen and there's slight bruising going on, not that bad, but just thought I'd give you guys a quick heads up. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. The first item I have here is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. Now the consistency I noticed of this is very similar to the Murad Water Gel Moisturizer. So if you like that one, I would highly recommend this one as well. But yeah, I like this one. It's very lightweight. It melts into your skin super quickly. I don't like things that are like super thick and lotiony. I like more the gel consistency type. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do my face with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. You gotta make sure to drag it down the net. Wow, my lips are looking crazy. Can I have a kiss?
No.
Say hi! Say hi!
Hi.
Hi. Look, say hi! Say hi!
Hi.
Hi! Say hi, guys!
Okay.
Can you blow a kiss? Good girl! You're so cute! Say bye-bye!
Okay.
I'm just gonna quickly set my face with the Joa. I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, I feel so bad, but it's the Joa Selfie Ready Setting Powder, and it's in the shade Peach because I have more pinky undertones, so I chose the pink setting powder, and I've actually been loving it. It has worked so well with my skin. Wow, this brush holds a lot of product. That was literally one dunk and I tapped off the excess too. So the next item from the box is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighting Palette. Can we just talk about the aesthetics for a second? Like, hello reflective. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try the shade Ibiza first because it's like a blushy highlight. I'm gonna try that. Alright, honestly now I'm just kind of gonna mix them all. Oh my gosh, should I even set my eyes? I'm gonna go in with this face palette from IT Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna use the bronzer just to contour my face a little bit. The next item I got in my box is the Pixie Beauty Skin Treats. It is their Glow Mist. Now this does have argan oil in it, so you do have to shake it up a little bit. So you do have to shake it up to mix. Stop, baby. You do have to shake it up a little bit to mix it together. I'm gonna just dab that in real quick. The fourth item I got in my box is the Naked Cosmetics. It is a 4-piece loose pigment scent. So here are the 4 colors they gave me. I'm honestly a little nervous to try these because I have never used loose pigments before. Look at how pretty that is. Okay. The first color was Sierra Nevada. Oh. Never mind. They all say that. I think I'm gonna use this color. It has like lavender undertones. Here's the last color. Like, how much are you supposed to keep on the brush? Oh, that's really cute and like subtle. Alright, let's try and do a smoky eye. Okay, so I kind of want to make the inner quarter shade a little stronger, so I'm going to dab into it and I'm going to spray it with setting spray and see if that applies at all. I'm just going to go in with the Sistar Cosmetics and just do some quick eyeliner. The lashes I'm going to use are the Ardell Fox Mink Luxuriously Lightweight Lashes. And I found these bad boys at TJ Maxx for $7.99. I need a tutorial on how to get lashes out of the plastic thing because I struggle every time, and I have ruined so many lashes by struggling with how to take them out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Trouble. Alright, the fifth and final product I got in my box is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I've gotten this mascara in a box subscription before. I think it was BoxyCharm, and it's a really good mascara. The only thing I have to say about it is it does have a lot of fallout like throughout the day. Like I'll be at work and I'll be wearing it, and I'll go to the bathroom and I'll have like a bunch of like little black dots and fallout crusties, but it's a good mascara though. And here is just what the bottle looks like. Super sleek and cool. So this is the final look using my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. How do we feel? Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss when a video is posted. Be sure to turn on that notification bell. That way you are notified the second a video goes up. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. I will be linking it all in the description down below, as well as my links to IPSY, BoxyCharm, etc. And all my social media will also be listed at the end of today's video. I will hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye guys.